What is up, you guys? It's Hector here, and welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher. Now, we had a lot of progress. I just, that was a notification from my phone, and I'll turn it off notification right now. Sorry about that. We've made a lot of progress, and we got honey slimes. And we got some boom slimes. And we got a lot of chickens. And I think we got a good community here. You know, we're all helping about. And all that stuff. And what we're going to do now is to try and get as many slimes as we can. Because we need a lot of money. So without further ado, let's get straight into the episode. So what we're going to do is, what you guys are probably thinking, what are we looking for? Chickens and slimes, basically. And funny enough, we got some here. We don't need any chickadoos, though. Wait, can they die? Watching them. Yeah, they die. I'm an evil person, alright. Oh, can we collect some? Yeah, why not? Let's collect some stone slimes while we're at it. I mean, we haven't seen barely any stone slimes. Oh, there's a chicken there. Got ya. Yeah, there's rarely any rock slimes, is there? So, might as well chuck that away. Oh, there's where all the slimes are. And I got a jetpack too, so this should get up there a lot more easier. Come on! There we go. This is actually quite helpful. Right. Let's keep walking, And okay, there's a new area. What? Excuse me? I've never seen you. Don't tell me you eat chicken. No, you don't. Cool. So what do you guys eat? Oh fuck, so we need another. We've got another big fella that needs feeding, but we don't know what he eats. Which is the terrifying thing. I'm sorry to interrupt your fucking home. Oh, it's chicken. I'm sorry. Oh, there's another key. Where is it? Oh, I was gonna say, where are they? They're here. Right, it's a bridge. Right, guys, I'm so sorry about that. My friend called me on bloody Skype, and I said to him, "Listen, dude, it's not the right time to call me right now. I'm in another video." And oh shit! No, save the chickens! Oh fuck! Yeah, I report. Fuck! Oh shit! They're really after me, aren't they? Fuck! So through. What am I going to do with the chickens though? I don't want Stony Hen. Oh no, one survived. Poof. Huh. You can see there. He's alright, he's chill. But I don't see much use of this jetpack though. I honestly don't. Right. So what do we have over here then? Shit, I need to pull the microphone a bit more closer. There we go. That's a lot more easier. And okay. Right. What do we have here? Got more chickens. And a hen. And more chickens. With a bird chick. A bread of chick is totally bush league. Well, I don't want it. Again, I don't want Stony Hen. Right, so there's nothing down here. Apart from that.
Wait, there's something up here?
Oh my god, I can go on the top. King in the world. Right, any honeys? Yes. Oh yes. Give me all that honey slimes. We definitely need a lot of honey. Slimes. There's a lot of chickens here. Okay, you're just eating it. Hang on a minute, guys. There you go. Ooh, is that mango? That's a mango. Right. No, we got mango growing at home. There we go. We got a lot of random box here. Ooh. Oh, I can't find you what you guys eat. Oh, you fucker. You ate the floor. Which made him turn different. Oh, bastard. I don't know what ploy he ate. Holy shit, there's a lot of mango there, isn't it? Another chicken. And looks like we're done here. Woo! I'm back! There you go, guys. We got more friends. And let's let the breeding progress begin. Wait, we need to feed them. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Oh shit, they're really hungry, aren't they? Come on, Mango, hurry up. Right, come on, let's feed them. Mango really bloody... Jesus Christ. The mango really come out at all, do they? Cute berries. Right, the carrots are still growing. There we go. They're all happy. They're okay. Right. We got... Okay, rock plorts. What plorts do we have in here? Like how many? 15, not too bad. We've got a lot of chickens in here. Okay, what about honey? Holy shit! Okay, that is dead on 30. Oh god, how much money are we gonna get out of this? Okay, what about honey? Bloody hell! It still goes up! Huh! Look at that! Right, so what we need to do is upgrade this. Because we need natural soil. Right, we need to upgrade the coop. And the chicken one escaped. I guess it doesn't want to fuck. There we go. There we go, they must like that. Okay. Ah! Right. Do we need the auto feeder? Solar shield. Let's do the solar shield. Okay, that actually looks kind of cool. Ah! Well, fuck you then. There's a lot of chickens. Right. We are gonna go to sleep. And hopefully we got some plants growing. Like, things are done. Like this. There we go. Huh. And they somehow left 2 cuberries. Right. Eat up. And you lot. Eat up. Right. And for the chickens, a lot of them has to be sacrificed. About 13 chickens would do it. Have fun eating them. Maybe more. There we go. But we need to collect a lot of chickens. Look at that. They're fucking eating them. They're dead. They're dead. Okay, we definitely need... Ah! I need to protect myself because they hurt like fucking... Oh, they hurt. Ah! Sadly, the Oh, the mango. Wait, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna port these in a minute. Well, cash them in. Like that. That's a lot of money. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna activate another garden. Put the mango in there. Then upgrade it to the sprinkler so you can soil fast. And just feed them. There we go. Look at all that. Now that's going to be a lot of plorts. Oh, that's a lot. That is a huge amount. Come on. There we go, 800. So what we're going to do now is give it some natural soil. And we're going to upgrade this to a music box so they can calm down a little bit. They're getting too hyper. Oh shit, I'm moving my mic. Right, let's go get some more slimes. I'm hungry for slimes. And chickens. Right. No! Don't you dare harm him. No! Do not harm my chickens. Well, no one gives a shit about you. Oh, they're up there. They're eating them! What the I bet they're up here. Or heart module and key. A more advanced and more sparkling heart module that boosts health. Yes, I need that. They lost a lot of apple here, didn't they? Tank booster. What the fuck? Right, so they're up here. Right, so now I have to go back. And give all this to honey slimes because a couple of them are a bit hungry, so. Let's see how it goes. I don't think they like pogo fruit as much as mango. Because apparently I've read up that apparently mango is our favorite food. Eat up. Oh fucking hell, they're really hungry, aren't they? Hey guys. He's fucking one of them. Whoa, 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 where the fuck do you come from? Excuse me. You get back in there. Or to go and end that for bloody honey slimes. I don't need an end that for you guys. I'm gonna have to, aren't I? Right. You, the rock slimes, I'm gonna have an air net. Right, try and escape now, you bitch. Right. We need to find out what this other bloody guy eats. Does he eat water? I know some fish, I know some of them eat water, but what did he eat? Fruit or veg? I don't know. We need to find out what that big slime does. It's pretty water. Oh no. Water tank. Oh, make a splash. A blast of fresh water will calm down any slime for a short while or dissolve those terrible tar slimes. A water garden's crops also grow faster. Ooh, so basically now I got an extra slot. So if I suck up water, doesn't help. Alright, we got some berries. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give all of these to the honey slimes and save one of them for that big guy because I don't know what he does or what he has. So, eat up. Right. Excuse me. Fuck off, I know what you're trying to do. Right, let's give one carrot, okay. Because I don't know what this big guy, this big slime has. Is either veg or fruit, I don't know. I have a really good guess it's veg. Because there's rarely any slimes that has veg. Or water. Like that. Ah! Alright, let's see what this guy does. Or has. Alright, what do you have? Do you have water? Don't think so. Carrot? Fruit? Okay, you have fruit. Now I know what he has. Right, I'm gonna get back up there by climbing up this freaking bridge again. Shit! I'm sorry, I won't come back to your home again. You guys do have a lot of chickens up here, I will say that. Got a lot of stony hen. Reasonable. Oh, did I just hear a chicken flapping? I did. And another roosteroo. Stony chick. I don't need it. I don't need the hen either. Right. Let's go and get some more slimes. Like more honey slimes and boom slimes. Boom! Right. So that's Stony hen. You know what? You actually stay put. So you know what? I'll give him. I'll keep him, and they'll be fed to the boom slimes very soon. Don't worry, my friend. You're going to the afterlife soon. And there's more chickens up here because I heard them. There's one here, but it's a different type. Is there any other types? Other than that, I know there's a bunch of them here. Oh, there's a flippin' other type as well. Shit. Did I see what I just saw? Fuck it. Well, the slime's gone now. I don't know where he went. I thought I saw a guy and he went invisible, but I don't know where he went. So. Okay, honey slimes, appear. There you are. Oh, you eating all the chickens. Oh, it's the same. Oh, you're not the same. Come on, any honey slimes? No? Yes! Oh, there's one here. Just caught ya. Right, come on, let's go. Oh, the magnet slime. Wait, there's another box here? I thought I destroyed that one. Oh, a mango. More slime, more chickens, but it's a different type. No. Oh wait, that's a different type. Oh, there's rooster. Oh fuck. There we go. Got the honey slime. Get the honey slime. Get that magma. And that one too. Got ya. Right. Oh, hello. No! I killed him! Oh, hello. And there we go. Boom! Right. You guys have got more friends. This is really fucking dangerous, isn't it? For a lot of them in there. Okay, having a lot of them in there is not really such a good idea, is it? Ah! Oh, shit! How did he get out? Right, he didn't eat any of the chickens. So that's good. Right, did the mangoes? Yeah, they've grown. Oh, they've grown. Oh, this is gonna get me a lot of fucking plorts. Right, eat up, fellas. I know you guys are hungry. There we go, they're eating up. Okay, so the carrots are done. Pretty much. Right, so this feed there's still rock slimes. Right, that should be plenty enough. And for the chickens... Right, which one should be sacrificed? Let's say most of these. Eat up. Ah, you... I'm trying to feed you, you little shits. Right there. Right, now we can go to sleep. Sleep until what? It's been a long day. Right. What do we have? The carrots have grown almost automatically. How have you? The berry tree seems to be taking a lot more longer than anything else at the moment. You guys hungry? Yeah. Alright, what about this tree? That mango trees, they're fucking growing. Holy shit! Right. First off, how much... Holy shit! But they're hungry. Let's give them 15. Half. But no, I think I'm in business. I think... It looks like I just own the whole ranch of Slime Rancher. I'm the king of Slime Rancher. Right. One more here. Ah! Anything else? Right, I'm gonna have to be very careful with this one. No! No! How are they escaping? The air net's supposed to keep them safe. Clearly not. Ah! Fucking... Right. I don't know what to have. To keep him, what, to stop him? Okay, the net is like getting destroyed. So we're gonna have to move these guys in separate places because I think there's just too much in there. Like that. Look at that. Yeah, they're gonna just demolish the chickens. Like, what the fuck? The music in there is supposed to keep them... What? No, 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 no. Nah. Nah. No. No, that can't be happening. Excuse me. No. That shouldn't happen. I've lost all of that money. No! They're eating the chickens. And I collected a lot of those boom slimes too. You know what? I don't need you anymore. If you guys are going to be such a hassle, then I got no choice. I've worked so hard, and they just spat it in my face. Yes, soda shield, please. I don't need an auto feeder. I don't know. I've lost so much shit. It's unbelievable. But anyway, guys, I think it's a good time to end this episode here. So guys, I hope you sincerely enjoyed this video. I want you guys to smash the subscribe button. I want you guys to hit the like button. I want you guys to hit the notifications bell. Click on it so you never miss any other videos I upload. Also, for the new people, make sure you click that subscribe button. If you guys want to comment down below what you want to see next, like on Slime Rancher, put a comment down below. I like to hear it. And guys, like I always say, this is Hank the Newster signing out.